Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a product that, while often overlooked, is absolutely crucial for the smooth operation of many of our essential devices: the Dysead AC power cord. This particular cable is a fantastic solution for anyone using specific document cameras, boasting compatibility with models like the RE650, RE350, DZ3600U, RE450X, and RE455X. If you rely on these tools for presentations or digitizing documents, having a reliable power source is non-negotiable, and this cord aims to deliver just that. Beyond its specific compatibility with document cameras, this Dysead power cord is a true workhorse for a variety of other electronics. It's a standard 3-prong US AC power cable, making it suitable for powering up your desktop computers, monitors, printers, scanners, and a host of other home and office appliances. Its versatility means it's a smart addition to any tech setup, whether as a primary cable or a dependable spare. The physical attributes of the cord are quite practical. It comes in a sleek black color, which helps it blend seamlessly into most environments, reducing visual clutter. With a total length of 5 feet, or 1.5 meters, it offers a good balance of reach without creating excessive tangles. This length is generally sufficient for connecting devices to wall outlets or power strips without much fuss. For those who might require a bit more flexibility, the manufacturer does mention that a 6-foot option is available upon request, which is a thoughtful consideration for different user needs. However, where this Dysead power cord truly shines is in its commitment to safety and quality. The product proudly carries international quality certification, signifying its adherence to top industry standards. This isn't just a label, it translates into tangible protection for your valuable electronics. The cord is engineered with numerous safety mechanisms designed to guard against common electrical issues. These include robust protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and internal overheating. In today's world, where power surges and fluctuations can be a real concern, having these built-in safeguards provides significant peace of mind, ensuring your devices are not only powered but also protected from potential damage. The connector gender is male to female, which is standard for this type of AC power cord, ensuring straightforward compatibility with your devices and power outlets. Weighing in at a light 4 ounces, it's easy to handle and transport, making it convenient for both fixed setups and mobile use. When you acquire this product, you receive one high-quality power cord, ready to plug in and perform. For anyone in need of a reliable, safe, and versatile AC power cord for their document camera or other essential office and home electronics, the Dysead option presents itself as a highly commendable choice. It's a small component that plays a big role in keeping your digital life running smoothly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.